ओके बच्चों, अब हम पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट आगे वाला टॉपिक. सो yesterday, not today, in my last topic we did इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन की कुछ आसियान, ब्रिक्स और ऐसे ऐसे ग्रुप्स हुए थे हमारे. ठीक है, अब हम और आगे देखेंगे कौन कौन से ग्रुप्स हैं. पेज नंबर 14 तक हो गया था हमारा, है ना. 14 के बाद में हमारा हुआ था पेज नंबर इंडो पैसिफिक, नहीं हुआ, एशियान हो गया एंड शंघाई कॉर्पोरेशन पे आ गए थे हम. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो है वो हमारा है शंघाई कॉर्पोरेशन एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दिस इज द 23rd समिट. कौन सी समिट है? 23rd समिट है. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, सो शंघाई हैज ए 23rd. ऐसे ही हमने ब्रिक्स में देखा था 15th थी और आसियान में देखा था तो 22 थी और शंघाई में 23 समिट है. ये है समरकंद समिट. ठीक है, समरकंद समिट. ये जो समरकंद समिट है ये हुई थी 2022 में. मतलब द समरकंद समिट वाज हेल्ड इन द 2022 and Kazakhstan is the next chairman of the SCO. So next कौन है? Who is the next person? That is Kazakhstan. So last time it was held in the Samarkand and this time it is going to be held in the Kazakhstan. Towards a secure SCO. What is the theme? Theme is towards a secured SCO. Now we want a secured SCO. So what kind of things make us secure? First is integrity, then will be sovereignty, then territorial integrity and economic protection. Secure means coined by the PM of India, that is secured. So secure acronym, it is an acronym which is coined by the PM of India. And New Delhi Declaration is also signed in this. So New Delhi Declaration. You know about Johannesburg Declaration for the BRICS Summit and kind of that. It is New Delhi Declaration, that is to counter the terrorism. To counter the terrorism. If you want to counter the terrorism, then there is a declaration which is New Delhi Declaration. Now there is a 5 pillars of the SCO. So 5 pillars of the SCO. First one is startup. Second one is medicine. Third one is youth empowerment. Third one is youth empowerment. Fourth one is digital inclusion. And fifth one is shared Buddhist heritage. Shared Buddhist and heritage. Okay. So new permanent member, Iran. Iran in the Shanghai, he is the new permanent member. New permanent member is the Iran. Okay, so this is permanent membership, not the non-permanent. Kashi Varanasi has been declared first tourism. So Kashi is declared as a first tourism destination, and genesis is that is SCO was in came into the 2001. This is the genesis that was it came into the 2001, and the member were before that Russia, we know it, China, yes, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Uzbekistan. Okay, so Turkmenistan is not the member of this. Only the Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. And three observer status. This observer status do changes as per the requirement. So this is the observer, and they are Belarus, Mongolia, and Afghanistan. Belarus, Mongolia, and Afghanistan. Belarus, Mongolia, and Afghanistan. And this was the Astana summit. Pakistan were admitted as a full membership. So now Pakistan, it is a full member of this summit. Full member of this summit, and SCO at a Astana summit. So Astana summit was in 2017. So Council of the Head of the State is the decision making. Council of the Head of the Government, second decision making. Two permanent bodies are Secretariat in Beijing and the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure in the Tashkent. So one is the Beijing, China. One is the Beijing and China. Okay. So this is the Secretariat that is in the Beijing and China. And second one is Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure that was in the Tashkent. That is in the Tashkent. The one is in the Beijing and second one in the Tashkent, that is RAIDS. The name is RAIDS. Okay, what is the name? The name is RAIDS. Okay, name is RAIDS. Now there is a interaction of the SCO in the fight against the terrorism and extremism and the separation of the India as a member. So in the SCO, India is a member. Another key is the SCO, that is the languages is Russian and Chinese language. The two languages are important. Genesis was 2001 as we discussed, and the Delhi Declaration to counter the terrorism, and the headquarter, it is in headquarter. The Samarkand summit was also there, and it is a 23rd summit of the Shanghai Cooperation. PM of India coined the secure acronym in 2018, and headquarters in Beijing and China. Beijing, China. So SCO has the headquarters in the Beijing, China, and the official language is Russian and the Chinese, and the observer in the UN General Assembly. Okay, and Iran is a new member, as we discussed before that Iran is a new member of the SCO. पूरे को वीडियो बना के भेजनी पड़ेगी। ये जो मैं काम कर रही हूँ तब मैं जरूर है ना, अपने यहाँ पे चल रहा है क्यों, और अपने यहाँ पे काम जो लिखा था वो सारा भी मेरा नाचने लग गया था। Okay, next is Shanghai is finished. Now next topic. इसका खर्चा Now we discussed about the Shanghai. Now it is Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank. So this is about the partnership strategy for India. Partnership strategy for India. Okay. And second one is the country partnership for India is 2023 to 2027, and focus pillar is first is structural transformation, structural change करना. First is structural change. Second is the climate resilient. Third is the social economic inclusiveness. Okay. So why we entered in the Asian Development Bank? Because it is a primary platform for designing operation to deliver the development, and strategy was made up here, that is 2030, and there is a prosperous, inclusive, resilient, sustainable Asia Pacific. Cost sharing is 70:30, and the headquarter it is in Manila, Philippines. And it was established in 1966. That is Regional Development Bank. It was a regional development bank. So why this strategy 2030 was given? First one, to addressing the poverty. So first one for the poverty reduction. Second was for the gender equality. Third one for the climate change, for the climate. Fourth for the cities. Fifth for the food security. food security. 6 for the governance. It is for the governance. And 7 for the cooperation. 7 for the cooperation. Okay. So Manila, Philippines, it is the headquarter. That is Manila, Philippines, and that is assist the members for the technical assistance. So we can provide loan plus technical assistance. Then the policy dialogue. India is the founding member. India is what? That is a founding member. Founding member. India is a founding member, and the shareholding is US. Japan is the highest shareholder. USA plus Japan. Both have highest shareholder. India is founding member. Asia for the global transition to net zero. We want net zero transition, and Asian Development Outlook 2013. Asian Development Outlook. Then Asian Economic Integration Report. Asian Economic Integration 2023 and Asia Pacific Report. Asia Pacific Report 2020. So Visakhapatnam is the industrial corridor, and Nhava Sheva container terminal project, Chennai Metro Rail investment project. These all are the projects, and we committed about $52.6 billion, and 605 public sector loans also we are holding. Okay, now next one is now next one is Indo-Pacific economic framework. Okay, so this is the Indo-Pacific economic, that is pillars. There are 4 pillars of the Indo-Pacific economic. First pillar is trade, second pillar is supply chain, third pillar is the clean economy, and fourth is the economy fair economy. Okay, so these all are the pillars. Partners are not required to join all 4 pillar, but India has joined the second and fourth. Second means supply chain, and fourth means fair economy. But we do not join the clean economy and the trade. Okay, we join only supply chain and the fair economy, not the clean economy, not the trade. And rest we are observer in the first one. In trade we are observer in Indo-Pacific economic prosperity. And traditional trade bloc will not negotiate, but financial action task force. Okay, that is everything is negotiable under a single umbrella. There will be a single umbrella, and it will under the 4 module that was independent, and it is regulatory coherence. We need a regulatory coherence. Okay, plus we needed G20 Global Biofuel Alliance. We need a biofuel alliance. Plus enhance the energy security plus affordable energy and accessible energy. Now next one is International Maritime Organization. International Maritime Organization. So next one is International Financial Organization. IMO, IMO, International Maritime Organization. So this organization is highest delegated election in 2024 and 25, and there is a genesis that headquarter of the maritime is in London, and promotes safe, secure, efficient cooperation. And 176 member. India is also a member of this, plus 3 more. So India is also a member of maritime. And there is a London Dumping Convention is also for the protocol of the sensitive area of the sea. One is the MARPOL Convention, one is the MARPOL Convention, and the second is London Dumping Convention. MARPOL and London Dumping Convention. Energy efficiency and the ship index. Now energy efficiency plus ship index, two things are there. And now the SOLAS Convention are also there. SOLAS Convention. This SOLAS Convention was started in 1974, and Djibouti Code of Conduct, that is for the West, Djibouti is for the Western, and Jada Amendment. Okay. Now this is against unlawful activities and maritime safety and security to be facilitated, providing international shipping services, international seaborne trade. So first is the seaborne trade. Seaborne trade. Okay. And second one is the major geographical area there. Geographical areas are there. Okay. And this is about the supervising all this. Okay. So this is all about this convention. Now next one is G7. Next one is the G7. G7 is a group of the